In this video, we are going to know about what are GPTs and how you create custom GPTs. So if you are a beginner and you don't have idea about like what are GPTs and how you can create your custom GPTs, then this video is for you. So firstly, we will understand what is GPTs. So generally the meaning of GPTs. So the full form of GPTs is Generative Pre-trained Transformers. So they are basically type of AI model created by OpenAI, and let's split that name. So basically generative, that simply means they generate new content like text, code, images, not just analyze. Here you can see one example. You ask write a blog on digital marketing, it generates that blog. So what is mean of pre-trained? So basically they are pre-trained on a huge amount of internet, textbook, article, code, etc. before you ever use them, so they already know language patterns, so you don't need to describe each and everything. GPTs already know the pattern and what output you want, they will generate for you. And the third point is transformers. So the understanding architecture developed by Google in 2017, it was makes them so good at understanding context and giving human like answers. So basically GPTs are able to understand the concept. So GPTs are basically good at understanding the context and offer you human like answers. So there are a lot of versions of GPT. So the first version of GPT-1 was released in 2018 for proof of concept. Second GPT model was launched in 2019, shocked people with how well it could write text. GPT-3 was launched in 2020, game changer used in many apps. GPT-4 was launched in 2023, much smarter, multimodal, can handle text plus images. And GPT-5, it was launched in 2025 this year. What I am based on more powerful, reasoning focused and customizable. Now as a beginner, you have understand what GPTs can do for you. So GPTs can able to write essay, blog, email and add copy, generate code and debug the code, answer questions like a tutor. So you don't need a tutor, they will guide you like a tutor, translate languages, chat like human, summarize long documents, build workflow, script, business plans. So here you can see there are a lot of dimensions and use cases of GPTs, so they can do for you. So why people are excited? So you can create your own GPTs, custom AI agent for a business or a personal use. They save massive time, reduce cost, and boost creativity. Businesses are using them for customer support, marketing, sales, education, coding, and research. So here you can see there are a lot of use cases of GPTs, and this is one of the main reason why people are excited about GPTs. Now we will understand how you can create a custom GPTs. So for this you need a pro plan of open chat GPTs, then you can able to generate. So basically if you have a pro plan, then you can able to create the GPTs. So firstly you have to log in your pro account and explore, and there is an option of create GPT. So let's move on and we will drive. So firstly you have to log in your chat GPT account, and there is section of GPTs. Simply you have to click on GPTs. So the page is loading. So these are the GPTs, some are free, some are premium, some are paid. So simply you have to click on a create. When you click on a create, this type of dashboard will be appear here. Simply you have to click on the configure part. So here you can see or put the name of your GPTs, what the name of your GPT. So let's suppose I'm going to create a MBA prompt GPT or a MBA GPT. So here you can see the prompt MBA coach GPT. So I created all this with the help of chat GPT. Simply here I'm naming prompt MBA coach GPT and description. So description is basically what your GPTs does, what action they will take. So here you can see I already created a short description related to my custom GPTs. You have to put some here. So here you can see your personal AI coach for mastering prompt AI and marketing. So this is maybe the overview how you can create custom GPTs. Now the next point is instructions. So basically what does the GPT do? How do it behave? What should it avoid doing? So basically you have to put some data. So on the basis of that data, they can train. So basically you have to put as much as information you want, so the chat GPT work on this information. So simply you have copy all these things, the instructions file. So these are the instructions. You are a prompt MBA coach and conversation starters. So basically conversation starters are related to the instructions. So you can create one by one also. So there is a section of conversion starter. So basically a conversation starter is the questions or a thing that user can search here. The GPTs will understand what they are looking for. So you have to put some conversion starter. So GPTs can get a good idea about like what people want from them. So you can create this like this. You can add multiple conversion starter as you want. So there are a lot of. So you can add as per your need. So what you are really offering to your customer, you can create like this. You can add as much as you can. And there is a knowledge you can this is the optional, you can upload your file here. So the GPTs will get more updated data or more data, so they can offer a best output. So this is a optional you can create. And there is a lot of models. So my recommendation is you can use by default, choose by default. And there are a lot of capabilities: web search, canvas, image generation, and you can also code interpreter and data analytics. You also check it. And there are a lot of action. So this is the thing. This is how you can create a custom GPT. Here you can add your logo. So you can use the dolly, or you can create your own, or you can simply add any image. So this will help you out to create a logo of your prompt. And simply you have to save your GPTs. So this is how you can create your GPTs. And if somebody is getting answer, so you can see. So and here you can see lot of models is here. So see, this is how you can create your custom GPT. Simply you have to save this. And there is an option of share. You can share your GPTs also.